from San Francisco, it's theCUBE, covering Samsung Developer Conference 2017. Brought to you by Samsung.
Okay, welcome back everyone. Live here in San Francisco at Moscone West is theCUBE's exclusive coverage of Samsung Developer Conference. I'm John Furrier, co-founder of SiliconANGLE. As well as the co-host of theCUBE, our next guest is from Postmates, Prerak Trivedi, who's the senior Android developer at Postmates. So, you know, you mobile apps, gotta have the food. You guys do the food delivery in any city. You're all over the place. How many cities are you guys in?
I think it's more than 50 markets now.
Really big time.
Big time.
Welcome to theCUBE.
Thank you.
So Android, obviously, iOS versus Android, it's been the war since day one. I remember when Google had the first phone, had the first prototype.
Yeah.
I saw this coming, and everyone saw it. Apple was owning it. Android has moved so fast.
Oh, definitely.
What are the hot, cool things about Android right now that you're excited about, that people should know about?
Oh yeah, sure. So Android, with the recent release, I think the Oreo release, they have a lot of good technologies built in. Especially like if you see 3 years back when the KitKat rolled out, it completely transformed Android, right? So today, if you see like, in my opinion, it's surpassed Apple's iOS platform.
Why is that?
But then,
what does it have?
So it has like a lot of cool innovations, like especially as a advanced phone user, if you want to multitask on your phone, right? So the split screen tabs basically, so you can split your apps. So like while writing an email, you want to reference the original content, something like that, or you want to listen to YouTube while navigating, right? So I don't know if you guys know, YouTube goes off if you put it in the background. With this new functionality, you can do both the things at the same time. So
well, YouTube's got a lot of problems, certainly on Safari as well. I mean, we had big problems with that. So this is an interesting point. So how about like multi-threading apps? I mean, what's some of the innovations? What is Android doing that you like, and what are the things that they need to do differently? Because Samsung's going to give me more goodness with the bigger phone.
Sure,
right? So
I mean, you have all the real estate in the bigger phones, and as you see, like earlier 3 years back, it was like a 5-inch phone. Now you have like 6 to 6.5-inch phones, and then you have so much real estate. You can do so many things around it, like give a good in-app gaming experience, like
So what do you do in the app for Postmates? What are you responsible for?
I work on the merchant-facing Android applications. We provide them tablets, and they give them a platform for order management.
The merchants, those people who make the food.
Exactly, the restaurants basically. We partner with them, and we give them a platform to do order management.
What do they care about that might be different from the consumer? They care more about who the driver is, they care about workflow. Is there any design considerations you think differently about the merchant versus, say, the end user?
Yeah, sure. So and when it goes to a merchant, we have to focus on their part, right? Like they don't care about the buyer or the consumer, like the who's
or other restaurants.
I mean, basically when they're preparing food, so we have to make them focus on the order, right? So we give them the tablet as a kiosk application where they are focused on only one thing, doing the order management, and once they mark it ready, they get it out.
And they want to make sure their menu is in the right place, so there's not a lot of bad orders.
Exactly.
Because the worst thing that could happen is, I didn't order that.
Exactly, yeah, we give them the platform for that as well, everything in one tablet, so yeah.
All right, so what's the coolest thing you're working on right now?
So right now, the coolest thing I would say is like providing, I mean, actually I can't say much about that.
Come on, say it.
Yeah.
Say it.
I mean, yeah.
Well, so what's the coolest code you pushed?
Yeah. So, actually it's coming out.
Okay, so
notifications is all like all
okay,
there.
Come on, share something.
Maybe I can share.
All right,
at the end of the
share best practice.
Best practice.
Yeah, best practice in the Android for Android developers watching.
Android developers, yeah. I mean, if you want to build a scalable Android application, I would say architecture is very important. So just follow Google I/O's architecture components. Get an architecture. It's very important because, like, if you want to reuse your UI, or if you want to build on top of your existing code, it would be very helpful to give a good platform, build on a good platform, and then adding features to it would be extremely.
All right, so what's your take of the conference here? I mean, this is kind of like an awesome conference. They're bringing that Apple Worldwide Developer Conference to Samsung. It's their 4th year. It's kind of clean. I like the messaging. Clean in a way, like not being clean, like spotless clean, but like clean messaging. I love the big screens. They're tying the smart TV. They're giving developers what looks like a seamless fabric into the world. Now, if I'm a developer, I'm going to raise my hand saying, okay, I want real APIs that are documented, and I don't want to have to go dig around all the APIs, right?
Right.
I mean, what's your take on Samsung? What are they doing good, what are they doing bad?
I think I was really blown away with the whole connected smart things platform. You know, like they focused a lot on the connecting people, and I feel like in the coming years, connected home, like home automation would be one very important aspect of everyone's life. And like, let's say if I'm traveling, I want to control my home from somewhere, right? So I was excited about the whole connected home, the smart things platform.
Yeah.
And with Bixby coming in as well, you know, you can control your home with your voice, which excites me the most.
It would be interesting too. I can see almost, you know, putting my, you know, developer hat on.
Yeah.
Your business would be amazing if
Oh, yeah.
the restaurants could learn about my orders.
Sure.
That he's a repeat customer, that they send orders back, I'm gluten-free or whatever I do.
Exactly.
And that's kind of the AI you want.
Yeah,
You want
exactly.
Bixby to learn.
Yeah.
Bixby to learn.
Exactly. Learn from the past orders, and you know,
Are you guys working on that?
somewhat something like that.
Cagey. He won't give me any secrets. Okay, bottom line, Android looking good right now?
Very good right now. Yeah. Android and Samsung doing good things.
All right, so what do you say to your iOS Apple friends when you're arm
iOS.
wrestling over iOS and Android?
No, I think iOS is also in a very good shape. I mean, a lot of iOS gives a very good platform for everyone as well. Like basically, it goes hand in hand. Like you know,
Global.
competition is
The
always
global is key, right?
exactly
Global is big
global
reach.
is key, and competition is good in terms of like you know healthy
Yeah.
innovation. So I feel that you know iOS does some innovation, Android does something else.
Do you guys sit in the same lunchroom or different, you know, like parts of the building in your iOS team? Do you guys
we both sit
commingle?
next to each
You
other.
do? And you throw stuff at each other, or is there
we always
peace?
have healthy competition, healthy jokes.
It's always good. Yeah, it's always fun. You know,
Yeah.
it's like it's a religion. You know,
Oh, yeah.
Apple versus Android. It's
That's
interesting.
true.
We look at our analytics and our web properties and you know source information. You can almost see the interests.
Yeah.
More open source, folks love Android, more global, more API-centric thinking,
Sure, yeah.
web services, microservices, Docker containers,
That's
people who
true.
are thinking about Kubernetes and cloud native.
Oh, yeah.
They love Android.
Definitely.
Do you
yeah.
agree?
I agree. Yeah. So
I won't
which-
say the lazy guys do iOS, but there's big money in Apple too.
Oh,
so
definitely. Yeah.
the nuances are there.
Yep. Which one do you think is going like you know having better market share for you guys?
I think iOS is better than
iOS is-
Android personally, in terms of I use both. But I think you know there's a lot more work Android's got to do. But what attracts me to Android, certainly Samsung and others, is that you know there's other platforms out there that need to be open, and everything
Yeah.
will be an API.
Exactly.
Microservices trend in the cloud with
Oh.
Kubernetes and containers,
True.
specifically Kubernetes.
Yeah.
The orchestration of workloads are going to be instrumental, and that's going to win the game. So I think Android is tipped for the future to be open and better than
Sure.
an Apple. Apple's closed, but Apple's the fine jewelry of the app. It's for like, you know, push button, you know, get what I
Yeah.
need, you know, not less sophisticated user.
Sure, makes sense.
I mean, I guess I'm oversimplifying, overgeneralizing. But that's how I see it. I think that's
Sure.
most people the way they see it.
Makes sense.
So, how about you? What do you think? Oh, so you're biased, you're Android.
Nah.
Come on.
As I told you earlier, right? Like I'm all for innovation. So as long as it's done by iOS or Android, we need to keep moving forward, and that's.
All right, so message to your friends at home, other Android developers. What are they that didn't make this event? What are they missing? What should they know?
Yeah, so everyone should definitely check out Smart Things. I think that's the really cool thing because the whole ecosystem, like having your light bulb and those things controlled by you remotely, you know, definitely check out Smart Things. And I'm excited about AR Core, Samsung and Google partnership as well. You know, that would be one interesting thing coming out as well.
AR kits out there too. What do you think about
Oh
that?
yeah,
Security.
the AR kit.
Yeah.
I haven't really.
Got more
checked it
security
out.
stuff, more IoT based. IR core, AR core certainly going to be
Okay.
key. All right, Prerak, thanks so much for coming on theCUBE. Android developer here, sharing his take on theCUBE, talking a little smack with iOS. Of course, Samsung's got the bigger phone here in the show here. And love the Note 8. I'm going to give it a good run against my iPhone. It's theCUBE coverage here at Samsung Developer Conference. More after this short break.